guys, so I got my ginger, my pineapple, and my carrots. I'll leave all that I used in this video in the description box below. So basically what I'm going to be doing is cutting the heads and the tails of the carrots. And I'm gonna cut the head off my pineapple, cut that in half, and then I'm gonna be slicing these up into smaller pieces. The smaller the better it is for your blender, so I'm doing actually medium-sized pieces here. Alright, and put that in a bowl, set it aside, and do the same to the next side. Cut those up and add it to your bowl. Alright, now let's cut up our ginger. This is all depending on you guys, how much ginger you want. I kind of like mine neutral. I want to be able to taste my my carrot and my pineapple without the ginger being overpowerful. So I cut up my carrots and everything. Yeah, I also washed them, you guys. I washed the pineapple and the ginger and the carrots. I washed everything, hence the colander. So yeah, I'm just adding it back. I washed them in portions because there's so many of them. So yeah, I'm just adding it back to the bowl, and then I'm just gonna start blending. Blender ready, and I'm just gonna add some of the carrot to there, and then I'm just gonna add some water to level off where the carrot and the pineapple stops. You don't want too much water in here, because then you'll water down your thing, and you don't want that. Okay, you want some tasteful, refreshing juice. Not if you want to drink water, then you know, add more water if you want to stretch it out, but I think what I put in there is enough, so please don't put too much water. You could put a little bit less than what I did if you want also, for even more intense flavor. But yeah, I was good with that. So I basically just poured it in a large container, hence my pot. I just added more fruits, and then I'm just gonna keep adding my water to that, and then I'm just gonna keep blending. To now strain it off into my big jug. I'm using the milk nut bag, you guys. This is perfect for this because there's no pulp whatsoever, as long as you pour it in the bag carefully. I had to restrain mine because a little bit of my pulp went into my final juice, but that's okay. You know, if this doesn't happen to you, you can save a step. So yeah, I'm using my gloves again, you guys. Please use the gloves if you're doing this. If it's just for you, that's fine. But if you're giving it to people, you need to wear gloves, okay? I washed my hands and then I put my gloves on. Yeah, no contamination here. So because you're squeezing all that juice, you're basically, you know, it's running off your hands and stuff. But anyways, now my juice is done. I'm going to sweeten this with just some sugar. You don't need nothing more but a little bit of sugar, okay? Please put into consideration the pineapple and the carrot, the sugars in that, so don't overdo it with this. It's best you put a little bit of sugar and then you add more as needed, but don't just dump a whole bunch of sugar in there, then it will defeat the purpose of the juice, okay? Anyways, I'm stirring that up. Give that a good stir. I'm tasting as I go. If I need more, then I'll add more. If not, then perfect. So that was perfect for me. So now I'm going to pour some to show you guys. There you go, you guys. Look how refreshing that is. Just add some ice cubes or put it in the fridge to chill and you're good to go. And this is my final product. There you go, you guys. Well, thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.